Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS James here. How are you today? In this video we would like to share videos of how many connector and how many plugs behind the factory radio in a Hyundai i45, which is the generation 2011 and 2015. So we already removed the head unit frame and the panels, and if you want to know how to do it, we have a very detailed video showing how to do that in our channel, and just click the link. And now we already remove it, so have a look here. This panel already comes out, and you can see it how it looks like that. And this radio, factory radio, already removed, disconnect, so it comes out like that. Alrighty. So now here all the cable and thing behind it. Now it looks like this at the back of the factory radio, so you can see clearly how many cable and thing it has. But remember this one is the i45 that doesn't come with the factory radio. Sorry, doesn't come with the factory reverse camera, doesn't come with factory sat-nav navigation system, and also doesn't come with the factory premium sound system. Okay, so that's what they call non-premium sound system i45, and no camera. Okay, so look at here, that's two main cable at the back, 1, 2, the white one, okay, and one of the antenna here, very obvious, and one of the earth connector to the side radio. Okay, so there's two main and two little one. Don't worry about this, because this one is the one for the clock on the top, and this one is for the air conditioner control at the bottom, and this one is for the emergency button. Okay, so that's all the connector behind the non-premium sound system setup i45 2011 2015. That doesn't come with the factory sat-nav or LCD screen or reverse camera. So hopefully it is helpful for someone, and thanks for watching. If you like our video, please click the subscribe button. We appreciate that, and we'll see you on another one.